People live in beautiful but aging homes, and those homes have old insulation, insufficient air sealing, and really dated HVAC equipment in many cases. We think it's really important to jumpstart the economy in the light of this pandemic, and we think that the best way to do that is by creating local green jobs.
For every 8 projects that sign up for a weatherization work scope, it puts a full crew back together for an entire month. I think that it's a great program for homeowners because they get to learn about the house, and they get to take on measures with regard to home performance that they may have not been available to them in the past.
You got all that time where you have to spend it inside with your family, and you want to make sure that everything is inside the right way. It was amazing that I don't have to have anybody in my home to do a process that's gonna effectively save me a lot of money. The program really made sense for me because, everybody budgets, and if I don't have to spend any extra money, that's huge. The fact that I can basically help out anybody that's looking for a job right now and create business with doing this program is something that I'm excited about.
Clients and homeowners alike, they want to feel like they're making an impact on the local community, and they have a positive impact on the environment as a whole, and they're able to live more comfortably in their homes.
This is where people are spending the majority of their time, especially now, and I feel really proud that we're making homes a more comfortable place to live in.